Welcome again to the channel. Hope you all give thanks to see today. Tomorrow is promised to no man. Thanks to all who have subscribed and who has not as yet. I appreciate the support. It means a lot. Please remember to like, subscribe and share, and do leave a comment. Do expect interruptions in the public transportation sector this morning, as the bus and taxi operators go on strike across the island. They have voted to go on strike. At a meeting on Sunday, the decision was taken during the meeting of the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Service, TODS, in St. Andrew. The president of TODS, Egerton Newnham, says the vote was unanimous. The transport operators voted to withdraw their services until the government implements a traffic amnesty. The bus and taxi operators want a payment plan which will allow them up to 6 months to pay their outstanding traffic tickets. To everyone who traversing the streets today, by means of public transportation, do expect the interruption today and take the necessary precautions for your well-being. Phillip Paulwell to be charged with negligence after losing his firearm. Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP Paula Llewellyn, has ruled that Member of Parliament of East Kingston and Port Royal, Phillip Paulwell, be charged in relation to the loss of his licensed firearm in July this year. He's to be charged with the losing of firearm through negligence. It's understood that the weapon was reported stolen to the police and the Firearm Licensing Authority by Mr. Paulwell earlier this year. The police sought guidance from the office of the DPP on the matter. The DPP has since ruled that Mr. Paulwell, who is also the opposition spokesman on energy and former PNP chairman, to be charged. Paulwell could be brought before the court to answer to the charge as early as this week. Mr. Paulwell confirmed that his licensed firearm was stolen from his car in July. He did not say where the alleged theft occurred. Deputy Commissioner in charge of the Crime and Security Portfolio, Fitz Bailey, confirmed that the ruling had been received from the DPP on the matter. DCP Bailey says the DPP has given the police the all-clear to charge Mr. Paulwell. When contacted, the DPP, Paula Llewellyn, confirmed that she had assigned a senior deputy director of public prosecutions to handle the matter, and that a ruling had been submitted to the police. Phillip Paulwell, that was a careless move to have your gun stolen. What if the person who stole it was to attack you with your own weapon? How would the public and your family react to such a scenario? With your licensed firearm in the hands of criminals who to tell the matter of evil that is being committed, the streets are being overrun with illegal straps that's causing mayhem in the country already. Now another firearm is being on the streets from July. How would you feel if that strap was used to injure your loved ones? Because your action shows that you care less about the lives of innocent Jamaicans who don't have a licensed strap to defend themselves from criminals. You should face the maximum of 15 years for your silly actions and negligence. Thanks for watching.